how to open TikTok account. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. If you don't have an account, then you have to sign up here. You can sign up with your phone number or by using your email, Facebook, Google, etc. For example, if you select email, then you have to enter your email address first as shown. Then tap on Continue. If you already have an account with this email, then just tap on Continue at the bottom. And then verify your identity by entering the code sent to your email. You have now successfully opened your TikTok account. Following these steps, you can easily open TikTok account. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.